Ready to unlock endless entertainment with Apollo Group TV, but unsure how to pay? Let's dive into all your payment options. First, navigate to the payment section on the Apollo Group TV website or app. This is usually found under account settings or subscription management. The most common method is using a credit or debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code carefully. Double-check everything before submitting to avoid errors. Apollo Group TV accepts major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. For added convenience, Apollo Group TV also supports popular online payment platforms. Look for options like PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Select your preferred platform and follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your account and authorize the payment. Sometimes, Apollo Group TV offers prepaid gift cards. If you have one, look for a designated redeemed gift card or use promo code section during checkout and enter the code on the card. And that's it. Choose the payment method that suits you best and enjoy uninterrupted access to your favorite shows. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apollo Group TV's customer support team for assistance. Happy streaming!